Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Janki's Cookbook. In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of Kasuri methi aloo. It's a recipe for kids. So let's begin with the recipe. I will take a pan and let it heat. Once the pan has heated, I will add about 3 spoons of oil. Now we'll add in a spoonful of jeera. Once the jeera has roasted, I will add in about 5 to 6 finely chopped tomatoes. You can also make a tomato puree. Allowing in the tomatoes to cook. In the meantime, I will cut about 10 to 11 medium-sized potatoes into medium-sized like shape. Now the most important step in this recipe is to allow the tomatoes to cook properly and let all the water dry up. Only then will the potatoes, aloo have the tangy taste. So you would have to give about 5 to 7 minutes here. After 7 minutes, when the tomatoes start leaving the oil, I will add 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, half a spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of salt and mix everything. Mix all the spices well and allow it to cook for a couple of minutes. In goes the cut potatoes. Make sure you do not overboil the potatoes since it will get cooked already while making the sabzi. I will mix the potatoes properly until it is completely covered with the tomatoes. Now add a glass of water. I have forgotten to show this step. Now take a spoonful of kasuri methi and rub it with both your palms like so to enhance the flavor. I will add in another spoon of kasuri methi and rub it inside my palm again because the quantity of kasuri methi is less. Mix well and cover the lid for about 5 minutes. Let it cook for about 5 minutes until it comes to a boil. Once boiled, turn off the gas and transfer it to a serving bowl. I hope you liked this video, and if you all did, then do subscribe to my channel Janki's Cookbook and follow me on my Instagram handle Janki's Cookbook. Bye for now. See you in my next one.